What is up, guys? Got a quick video on how to insert or add a transition to OBS. Basically, what you want to do is you want to click on where it says this scene transition, select the drop down, and go to Stinger. Once you're on Stinger, you're going to want to go ahead and hit the gear icon and go to Properties. Now, basically, this here, your video file is the Stinger that you want to add. You want to click on the file, click on Open. And the frames, you want to play with it a little bit. Typically, I like monitor and output so I can hear the audio also. And I keep mine on crossfade. But you guys can play around with the settings a little bit. But typically, if you see here, I'll put it to 22. You can see how it changes before the actual transition gets to the point where it should change. So basically what you want to do is you want to play around with this setting a little bit, transition point. Mine set for 32 to get it just right. And then now it adjusts after the transition. All right, guys. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, do me a favor and show it by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate all you guys that watched, and we will see you on the next one. All right, guys. Peace.